Seat Spring Kit, Installation Guide. Step 1. Install support plate. First place the rear small support plate, then the front large plate. Secure the support plate to the seat by 3M6 bolts. Then use 8 self-tapping screws to firmly attach the support plate to the seat. Step 2. Install the front hinge bracket. Secure the bracket to the frame by M6 bolt and nut. Step 3. Install the pre-assembled spring bracket. Secure the bracket to the frame by 2 M6 bolts and nuts. Step 4. Install the seat onto the frame. Insert the rear studs into spring first. Lock the front hinge parts by 2 M6 bolts, nuts, and washers. And finally use 2 cotter pins to lock the studs. Worm tips. The spring angle can be adjusted by loosening the bottom spring nut. Lock the nut after the adjustment. Thanks for watching.